Hey everyone, imagine an AI so advanced it feels like you're talking to a real human expert. Well, that reality is here. The new ChatGPT-5 has landed, and you won't believe what it can do now. Stick around, because we're diving into three major upgrades that are total game changers. What if your AI could write a book chapter, debug your code, and analyze a video screenshot in one go? That's just the beginning of GPT-5's power. Let's jump right in. First up, deeper reasoning and a massive context memory. GPT-5 can handle incredibly long conversations or documents we're talking tens, even hundreds of thousands of words, and still remember what you said at the very beginning. For example, I gave it this prompt: "Here's my business plan, draft from last month." Update it with these 4 specific changes and then give me a presentation outline. It not only updated the plan perfectly, but it also remembered the background context we had discussed much earlier in the chat. Older versions, they'd completely lose track by message 3. GPT-5, on the other hand, keeps the thread alive, making conversations so much more productive. The second major upgrade is multimodal and personalized interaction. GPT-5 doesn't just handle text anymore, it sees images, hears audio, and even works with video in certain setups. Plus, you can now pick a personality for your chat: professional, friendly, creative, whatever best fits your workflow. You can also integrate it with your Gmail, Google Calendar, and other tools, turning it into a genuinely smarter personal assistant. In a real test, I uploaded a screenshot of a complex chart and asked, "What does this trend show, and can you predict next quarter's numbers?" It instantly generated a clear explanation, a data-backed projection, and even suggested visuals for a slide deck. The third upgrade is a serious boost for developers and business workflows. GPT-5 is now significantly stronger at writing entire programs, designing user interfaces, and debugging code from end to end. And for businesses, it can automate complex workflows by connecting with external tools, APIs, and CI. You can literally plug it into your existing system and let it act as a mini-agent for certain tasks. As an example, I asked it to build a complete customer survey flow, design the questions, integrate the responses into a Google Sheet, and trigger a follow-up email if a rating is less than 3. In under 5 minutes, it provided the full architecture blueprint plus the sample code to make it happen. So, what does all this actually mean for you? Whether you're creating content, learning a new skill, freelancing, or running a business, the applications are huge. For writers, you can get high-quality drafts and creative rewrites in minutes. For developers, you can prototype faster and debug smarter. For marketers, you can generate entire campaigns, analyze customer feedback, and automate your reporting. And for students and learners, you now have a personal tutor that remembers your learning style and teaches you step by step. In short, GPT-5 is evolving from a simple chatbot into a full-blown intelligent assistant. Of course, it's not perfect. While GPT-5 is a huge leap forward, you still need to double-check its facts, especially in high-stakes situations involving legal, medical, or financial advice. Also, remember that not all of these features are free. Some of the most advanced modes will require a paid subscription. And for things like multimodal and video inputs, there may still be some limitations. The key is to use it smartly. So that's a quick look at what ChatGPT-5 can do right now. Honestly, a glimpse of where it might take us next. If you found this helpful, please give the video a like and drop a comment to let me know which feature you want me to test live in a future video. Don't forget to subscribe for more AI and tech updates. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.